In this video, you'll learn how to buy Porto token on Binance Launchpad. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to successfully participate in the token sale, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Begin by navigating to the Binance website in your web browser. If you already have an account, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Once signed in, locate the Launchpad section in the main menu. This is where various token sales are featured. After you enter the Launchpad, scroll through the available projects until you find the Porto fan token. Review the details of the project, including the sale timeline and participation rules. It is crucial to confirm these rules carefully, as Launchpad station and have specific requirements for participation. Next, ensure you have a sufficient balance of BNB in your account, as this will be needed to commit asset for participation. During the designated commitment period, you will need to commit your BNB. Look for the option to commit BNB within the Porto fan token project page. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to commit, ensuring it meets the minimum requirements. Be mindful not to withdraw any BNB during this phase, as doing so may affect your eligibility for allocation. Keep an eye on the committed amount and any limits set by the platform. Additionally, review the allocation formula provided on the page to understand how your commitment may translate into token allocation. Regular track your participation status to stay informed about your commitment. After the commitment period ends, you will need to wait for the token distribution to complete. This process may take some time, so be prepared for a brief waiting period. Once distribution is finalized, navigate to your spot wallet to check for the arrival of your Porto fan tokens. It is important to review the details of any BNB deductions that occurred during the commitment phase. After confirming that the tokens have been credited to your wallet, you could decide whether to hold on to them or trade them based on the current market conditions. Monitor the market price closely after the token listing to make informed decisions about your investment. Remember to save the transaction records for your reference. This tutorial has guided you through the entire process of buying Porto fan token on Binance Launchpad. Each step is essential for ensuring a successful participation experience. By following the outlined procedures, you can confidently engage in the token sale and manage your assets effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.